Login failed on Empower app fix. You open the Empower app, ready to check your budget, savings goals or cash advance options, but then it says login failed. Before you worry, here's the good news. This issue is super common, and it's usually simple to fix. First, double check your login details. Empower requires exact matches for your email and password. It's case sensitive. If you're using a password manager, it might be auto-filling an old password, so try typing it manually. If it still fails, tap Forgot Password and reset it. Next, check your connection. Empower's lock-in system is security heavy, and weak Wi-Fi or AVS can cause issues. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or turning off your phone temporarily. That alone fixes the problem for many users. If you're using the app, open your App Store or Google Play and check for updates. Outdated app versions sometimes conflict with new Empower security updates. If it's already updated but still not working, uninstall and reinstall it to clear any corrupted files. If you're accessing Empower through a browser, clear your cache and cookies before logging in again. Old browser data can confuse the system, especially after password changes or new app updates. One more possibility: Empower's servers might be temporarily down for maintenance. In that case, all you can do is wait a few minutes and try again later. So, if your Empower login keeps failing, don't panic. It's usually a quick fix. Check your password, your connection, and your app version. Once you've done that, you'll be back to tracking your money, building savings, and managing your financial goals smoothly.